Hi everyone! So sa ngayon tignan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. So we have this one, the dream in reverse. We also have this one, but it's in reverse. You also have the 10 in reverse. We also got the wonderful in either way. So, ibig sabihin lang nun na hindi pa kayo umaangat sa inyong buhay. That's why the dream is still in reverse. Maybe you are wanting something, wanting a goal to be reached, but yet parang pabaliktad kayo. Kasi with the 10 here in reverse, ibig sabihin lang nun, meron kayong bagay na hindi pa in-end. Kaya hindi kayo nag-accelerate sa buhay at marahil yan ay bagahe ng past. Can be. So with a wonderful in either way, so that's why right now, instead of focusing on your blessings, parang din kayo napupunta rin sa pag-iisip ng negatibong bagay about your life. So, God wants you to acknowledge at least meron ka pa namang blessings sa inyong buhay na dapat ipagpasalamat nyo sa mahal nating Panginoon. So, we also have this one, missing you is in either way. We also have the bridge here in either way then. We got this one. Okay. Some of you can be, you are doubting. At ito yung humahad lang sa bridge natin, kaya siya in either way. Kasi dapat maka-move on ka or pass dun sa cycle. Pero instead na mag-pass kayo sa cycle, ulit-ulit yung ginagawa niyo cycle. That's what's going on there. So if the space in reverse, maybe wala kayong time na actually makita yung mga bagay na to. And we have the one in either way. We also have this one. So far, yung intuition mo, binibigyan ka na ng warning. Actually, yung warning na yan, galing yan sa mahal nating Panginoon. But yet, sad to say, hindi napapansin. Kasi yun nga, focus siguro sa work, napaka-busy. At nakakaligtaan mo na mag-contemplate about your life, kung ano yung dapat mong baguhin. Kasi you are like in this hamster wheel na paulit-ulit na lang. Parang walang pagbabago, same cycle and so on. Pero I feel here na meron kayong dapat baguhin. I at least look at what's holding you back from being successful. And of course, with the wonderful in either way, also acknowledge the blessing yung binigay sa inyo ng Panginoon. At saka with the missing you in either way, ibig sabihin lang na may bagay kayong namimiss. But at yung bagay na yan, it's not something na nagpupush sa inyo papunta sana sa inyong goal. Yun siguro yung nag-hold back sa inyo in not achieving anything. So, might as well take some time to contemplate and heal as well what happened in the past and learn to let go of what's not serving you or letting go of something na nagpapabigat sa inyong buhay. Lalong-lalo na with regards sa finances, can be it's a bad habit na dapat mong itigil. Can be, mahilig kang mangolekta ng mga bagay-bagay to the point na wala ka nang naiipon. Naiipon mo na lang yung collection mo. So, yun yung dapat mo ring isipin na paano kung wala yung bagay na yun, siguro mayaman ka na sa ngayon or na-achieve mo na yung goals mo. Kasi pinapakita ng Panginoon sa'yo that you do have blessings. But yet, maybe you're seeing this blessing as somewhat less or less than. So, kung sana sabihin less kasi, to be honest, kung wala tayong luho sa buhay, mas asenso sana. So, hindi yan dapat mong isipin and try to live a simple life. Alright? So, can be, I will give an example, can be mga ginagamit mong produkto, like let's say for beauty pa lang, marami na tayong gastos dyan sa ating muka. So, might as well, see kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit until now you are not having savings. Okay? So anyway, that's it for today's reading. I hope that this may give you some insight and awareness, and God bless you.